Alright, so I'm back with a third recipe here for y'all. This is we're gonna do pepperoni pizza at home tonight. So, sometimes you just don't wanna pay $25 for a pizza for carryout. Sometimes frozen pizza is just not that good. So maybe you wanna make one yourself at home. Well, here's how. You're going to need a pizza pan or a pizza stone. I prefer the stone. And then you're going to need your ingredients to make your dough. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some flour. It doesn't matter what kind of flour you use, as long as you got enough. And then you're going to need some yeast, and then some salt, some sugar, optional, and some oil. Doesn't matter what kind. You can use olive oil, motor oil, just whatever you want. Just don't use too much of that. You could end up starting a fire. That's just for your dough. So you're gonna mix all that up real nice, blend it up, and make your dough. Let it sit in the fridge for probably overnight. Get it out, spread it, put it on your pizza pan, and then you're gonna need some toppings. Pepperoni, my favorite topping. You're gonna need some cheese. Most pizza uses mozzarella or provolone. And you're gonna need some pizza sauce. Now you can do your own pizza sauce if you want. Sometimes the store has really good pizza sauces also in a jar or can. I like this one right here. This is one of my favorites. So we're going to go with that. So let's make this pizza. Alright, just a few seconds left on the pizza here. Once the timer goes off, we'll take it out and see how it looks. Alright, pizza's done. Grab it out of the oven here, and let's see how it looks. Oh wow, that looks better than expected. Really good stuff there.